and here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Well, they call me senior for a reason. I'm old, and this is one of my favorite motors. Old school 427 aluminum Shelby Block, solid roller, open plenum Super Victor Q750 carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. It's a nice setup, custom grind cam. Got the March kit on the front. Nice old school piece. We'll show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,700, 457 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 534. Peaks horsepower 586. So we rated it at 600. The front end's 1520, so everything's good. Get it off there, get in the crate, come your way. Have a great day.